What's up, guys, at YouTube? Today I want to show you how I made an extra mount for my headrest mount. This is the original. I didn't touch this part. You don't need to touch it. And what I did, I mounted my RAM mount here, and you basically just make the holes by the screws, the lug nuts, make sure they're lockable. You see how they look like. This is a 1-inch RAM mount, and basically you could buy a lot of adapters. You could buy an adapter for your small TV or monitor up to maybe 19 inches monitor, and for GoPro you could buy the adapter here. This is how it's gonna look like that. And this is adjustable, and it could move up or down, or right or left. And this is how you make an extra mount on your Arkon headrest mount. Basically, I just made the holes, put the screws in, the lug nuts, tighten it, and that's it. I made an extra mount. There were some videos that I follow how to mount my small monitor in here, and some of the videos that I follow was telling me just make the holes here, and it goes back to your TV and put it here, and it didn't look nice, so I just didn't follow that idea, even though I made the holes, but it didn't look nice. So I'm like, how can I mount anything on my Arkon headrest, which is made of metal? And I'm thinking, I want to get an adapter for my GoPro, but how can I use it? And this is how you could make a universal RAM mount for your Arkon headrest mount. And you could buy the adapters. This is a 1-inch ball, so is this. It's a 1-inch ball. And some people might be thinking why I didn't put this in here, but the ball is smaller. This may be like a 17 millimeters, and this is a 25 millimeters. So if I put this here, it will be loose. It will be moving around too much. So if you're using 1-inch ball, you gotta mount a 1-inch ball too. So there's no way to use a 17 millimeter on this side and put a 25 millimeters on this side. It's not gonna work. So it has to be 1 inch on this end and 1 inch on this end. So this is how I did it, and it works. You could put your GoPro RAM adapter here, or TV for the kids, small TV. And this will hold up to 10-15 pounds. But keep this in mind, this is going to void your warranty for the Arkon mount. So this is gonna go on my headrest, and it could go up or down, right or left. This is universal, and you just buy the little adapters with 1 inch or 25 millimeters ball for a GoPro or a small TV. And if you're not using this and you want to stay with this, all you gotta do, just remove the mount. You see? I know this ball looks almost identical to this one, but it's not. This is a 1 inch ball, which is 25 millimeters, and this one is probably 17 or 20, which is not gonna work with the RAM mount. Has to be 1 inch ball or 25 millimeters. But this is what I come up with. If you like my idea, go ahead and do it. And if you have this mount already, or if you have another mount which is not Arkon, make sure it's metal. It has to be metal. Don't try it if it's plastic. It's gonna damage the mount. And this is adjustable. You see? I make it shorter. And then put it here. And there you go. It's like an extra mount for your headrest that you already purchased. If you like the idea, just do it. But keep that in mind, that it's gonna void the warranty on this mount, because you have to make the holes. See, this is RAM, and this is Arkon. So if you like the idea, go ahead and do it. Save some money and make an Arkon mount, a universal one, for anything that you want to use it for. It could be a camera, could be anything else besides what you can use this with. iPad or any tablet. With this one you could put your TV in there, a small TV. Make sure it's not over 10 pounds. Your TV is not over 10 pounds. If you like the idea, just let me know. Thank you.